passionate. I work hard to win it, pop it in on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch you.
Okay, no, I'm not naked. I just did a swimsuit haul. So I want to show y'all how I do like a quick, I guess, 5 to 10 minute install. So I'm using Alipearl's natural wave hair in the 22-inch length, and this is a frontal unit. I did hot glue it just like these other girls. Well, she's bald headed, but the other two. And I used a new method that I'll talk about later. But as you can see, on hot glue units, you do kind of get residue on the inside sometimes, but that doesn't bother me because I wear wig caps, and yeah, it doesn't really faze me. And then I put a strap and I put a comb in the back, and again, it's a frontal 20 inches. So that's that. And this is the natural wave hair. It actually looks really pretty on camera. In person, it just looked like a step up from body wave, but it's kind of cute. So let me show you like the 5 to 10 minute install. And with this, you can definitely like wear it. You can wear it for more than a day, but if you're gonna do that, just add like a little more gel and a little more spray, and you might want to actually blow dry it instead of letting it air dry like I tend to do most of the time. So let's go ahead and get into it. I know y'all are probably like got to be out. Y'all are probably tired of seeing it, but honestly, this is like affordable and it's convenient and it actually works. So I really love this. The black one works too, and I take that one with me if I go somewhere. But the yellow one, it seems to be more like a wig glue in my opinion. I've actually never had like bold hold and all that, you know, fancy wigs, I guess, glue. But this works for me, so, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I just take, I don't know if you guys gonna be able to see. So I just take that amount right there, and then that's what I start out with. And my cap was already, are we focused? So my cap is honestly just sitting on my head. It's not like taped down, it's not glued down or anything. It's just sitting there because I know a lot of the time you see people doing a bald cap method, but that takes a little bit longer. And that may last longer too, but I know for me, I like to just put my cap on and go. Like, I don't have time to be cutting and blow drying and makeup and just all that extra stuff. So I use a medium brown or the one caramel one, and that's that. And sometimes I'll even use the spray. So I'm only doing like right here because I have other wigs to review or hair to review. So if you're gonna do this for yourself, you might want to do the entire hairline if you're doing a frontal. Then I take the spray, go back and forth a couple times, and that's one layer. So I'll let it dry a little bit, and then I go in with the second layer. And what I will say about this, make sure you keep the cap, like the sprayer part, clean, because it can build up and it begins to spray all funny. So you could run it under some hot water, or you can just take something sharp and like chip away at the buildup. So I'm just gonna let this like air dry a little bit, fan it a little bit. I will say that for some reason I was a little heavy-handed when it came to plucking like these wigs, so I had to, you know, check myself or whatever. But I'm just gonna put it on. I like to start from the back, kind of flip it up a little bit and pull the hair from underneath, and then pull it up. So if you didn't bleach your knots, your scalp is gonna look white. Of course, you can definitely put makeup underneath the lace, but I feel like on top kind of just looks better sometimes, to be honest. I used to put it underneath, and I still do sometimes, but for unbleached knots, I like to put it on top because it's more noticeable that way. But that's my preference. Honestly, after putting this wig on, like this is a nice texture. I like this natural wave. It's really, really pretty, and it's so much better than body wave. It's just so pretty. So Let me make sure it's on. Okay, so I just put the comb in to secure it a little bit. And I used the Marc Anthony 7-in-1 treatment to kind of mold it on the mannequins. And that's for all of them. So the next step is to kind of correct what you see is wrong. So as you can see, my part is a little bit, the part is nice, but up here in the front gets a little bit interesting. This hot glue unit is nice. Just come out and hurry up. It's in my mouth. Alright, so the next step is to just take some powder, preferably I like one a little bit darker than me, because yeah, so I would like to not a contour powder, but just a little bit darker than my foundation powder. So I like to just use this e.l.f. one. So then I take a kind of flat brush and just go in on the part, and I bring it all the way to my forehead, because you want to make it seem like this is coming from your scalp. So make your forehead the same color, or make the line the same color, which is a little bit moist right now from the gel. So I'm going to let it dry down a little bit more for 30 seconds. So that's pretty much it as far as the install. Really simple. The video says it took 11 minutes to do it, 11 minutes and 10 seconds, but honestly I took a couple pauses in between, so it probably really took 7-8 minutes to do this. And this is an easy in the morning, install. I know a lot of people ask are they glueless wigs and stuff. I mean, you can make them glueless by making a strap a little bit tighter and stuff and have combs in it, but I just feel every wig should kind of be secured, because honey, if somebody I ain't got time. My wig came off before, y'all, and I told y'all that story because somebody jumped on my back when we was coming from a homecoming event, and of course everybody was outside and I was in between two of the major dorm rooms, and she jumped on my back and my wig came off, y'all, in front of everybody. So if you don't secure your wig, y'all, that's your problem. So yeah, after that little story, we should be a little more dry, and I can put the powder on top. And you could kind of blend it out with your finger, because you don't want it to look too fake. This dang strap. So I'm going to go in one more time and kind of just bring the powder onto the forehead. And that's pretty much that. That's how you get a simple 5 to 10 minute install at home. You can do this before class, before work, and all that good stuff. So yeah, this here is bomb. Ain't nothing in your throat. Come on now. Ooh. So yeah, I really like this texture. Shout out to Alipearl. This is some really, really pretty natural wave. Again, I love. This feel like loose wave? Nah, it's natural. It's natural wave. So this is a 22-inch. Anytime I wear 22 inch, it comes right below the boob if you stretch it, but if you don't, it comes right here. And then I have a 20-inch frontal, and that was my 5 to 10 minute install, and I hope you guys enjoyed. The hair is really good, as you can see. I use, of course, the whole frontal, and I use a bundle and a half, maybe a bundle or two, but I definitely had one left over, one whole one. So yeah, that's Alipearl Hair. I hope you enjoyed this install, and I'll leave all the links down below.